Hey guys, Pastor Tim here, and I am in one of our children's ministry classrooms right now. As you can see, the flooring is done. We got some lights on throughout the building. This next week, they're going to continue working on all the flooring and a lot of that outside stuff, doing the new concrete and stuff like that, making the outside look real pretty. So watch what happens over this next week. Things are moving along quick, and we're really excited about that date we gave you. So make sure that you mark on your calendars August 10th for our grand opening. It's going to be a great day.